everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's lecture we are going to see the next question, that is fixme1.py. Okay, so description. So what we have to do in this task is that we have to find the syntax error in this Python script to print the flag. Okay, so first of all, I just want every one of you to have a basic knowledge about Python so you guys can easily solve this task with me. Okay, so let me just download this Python script and let's just open the file. Mm. So guys, as you guys can see, this is the code, okay, that we have to fix and make sure that it runs properly, and then we can easily get the flag. Okay, so first of all, as we guys can see here, there's some indentation error. Let me just fix it. And well, I'm so sorry guys, there was some issues in my VS Code. So I currently I'm doing this in on my Python. Ideally I also have that. So let's try to run it, and then we will see what's the errors. Okay, so we have fixed the error with this, and then we are just going to copy this flag. So which means that this code was only having the indentation error. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here and I'm just going to paste the flag here, and boom, with this we have completed this also. So thank you for watching.